Hey everyone, got this Kevin's Thai style coconut chicken here. Paleo friendly, says it's ready in 5 minutes. Gluten-free, 20 grams of protein, says chicken raised without antibiotics. Let's give this a little taste test and review. Okay, here's what comes in the kit. Kevin's sous vide. Okay, a couple of these. And some sauce packets. So you can either cook this on the stove top or put it in the microwave oven. Okay, we got our skillet here. Just gonna put a little oil in here. Got it on medium high. It says break the chicken strips apart by massaging the chicken pouch before opening. That's this here. Go ahead and break it apart like that. Okay, I've broken up the chicken, but then I just took the packets and kind of went like that because my plan is to just cut it right here and then be able to drain the broth out of there. So you want to drain the broth and then add the chicken to the pan. Okay, I'm just taking the broth and pouring it down the drain. Now I'm just going to take the packet here and put it in the hot skillet. Okay, now we're going to heat it for 1 to 2 minutes on each side until it's brown. All right, we turned up the heat on this. I had it on medium. Turned it up to just past that, about halfway between medium and high, to get the water out of there and the brown. Okay, we're about ready to add the sauce. It says to reduce heat to low, pour sauce in the skillet and simmer for 30 seconds, stirring the chicken to coat the sauce. Serve up and enjoy. And we made some rice as well. Smells good. Got that nice curry flavor. Not too spicy. It's got a good sweetness to it. It's like a sweet curry. I like it.